Hey y'all, Sam here, and it is time to unbox the January Boxy Charm. In December, I got my first Boxy Luxe, and that was amazing, by the way. I'm sorry I was too lazy to film it, but it was amazing. I'm sure you guys saw someone else's. Alright, so this is the January box, and it is called Boxy and Chill. I love the little color scheme here. It makes me think of childhood. Alright, so the first item we have here is called $1 Billion Brows, and let's go ahead and give her a swatch. Here is a swatch here. This is definitely a good color for me. I don't know if it tells me what color it actually is. It's a universal brow, so it should work for everyone. This brow pencil is $18. Next thing we have, I've received this before in a few other boxes, and it is a Repair Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Let's go ahead and give her a spritz. Hopefully it don't make my hair greasy. But oh yeah, I probably shouldn't spray that on dry hair. It smells kind of like a candle. Yeah, it smells like candle wax. Not in a bad way, just that's what it smells like. This leave-in conditioner for 2 ounces is $12. Next we have an OFRA lipstick. I love OFRA's long-wearing lipsticks. This bottle shape seems to be a little bit different. I don't think I've ever received one that's shaped like this. It's definitely a modern, clean look, but let's check out this color because it looks kind of like orangey clay. Yeah, it's kind of orange. I'm not sure how I feel about that color. I'm afraid like it might make my teeth look yellow. I really want like those Hollywood teeth that like glow in the dark where you're like ching and like they just sparkle. And so I feel like using this kind of lipstick will not help me achieve that look. So yeah, we'll see about that. This lipstick retails for $20. Ooh. Next we have 2 sheet masks. I absolutely love sheet masks, so this is a win for me, but these are expensive, y'all. These are $24 for 2. Like, that can't be real, right? $12 sheet mask. I would never pay $12 for a sheet mask. I usually buy my sheet mask from like Shop Miss A for like $1 from Korea. Koreans have the best skincare products. It says that these are scientifically perfect trios of Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, algae, and they will instantly restore the skin's health and radiance. Y'all, follow me on Instagram, Sam Glamslam. If you want to see me try one of these on, I'll let you know if it instantly made me look better. Alright, and then the last product is a Rainforest of the Sea Tarte palette. This I was pretty excited about, but I didn't get the palette I wanted. I did see a sneak peek, and I wanted the one that had like all the like the pink glitters and pearls and stuff. It's pretty, but it's not the one I wanted. Here is the palette inside. It's a very like neutral palette, and that's kind of why I didn't want this one. But now that I have it, I can see where I will probably actually use a lot of these. I like to use bright like highlighter kind of colors like in my inner corner, on my brow bone. So let's go ahead and swatch some. Ooh, that's really pretty. Girl, I can use these as highlighters. This one's a little pink, so maybe not that one, but I don't know if the camera's picking it up because of my bright lights. But yes, overall, I am very pleased with this. And this palette retails for probably like $42. Let me see. For $36. This palette retails for $36. So this box's value was $110, and I got it for $21. So yet again, BOXYCHARM is the best subscription that I've ever had. And if you have not already joined them, definitely click the link in my description box and I will get some referral points. I don't get anything free. I'm not affiliated with them, but you get points that you can earn products with. So if you haven't signed up for them, you definitely should. You will not regret it. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, bye y'all!